Why hire a US app developer at $150,000 a year? Think about it. They're using Claude, Copilot, Anti-Gravity, and so are we. With a single US developer, you get one person, one skill set. With DreamzTech, you get a full-skilled dev team, an experienced project manager, and a dedicated QA team. DreamzTech delivers skilled app developers at 3 times lower cost. Hire a mobile app developer at just $25 an hour and save $100,000 every single year, without ever compromising on quality for your next-gen mobile app. We're an award-winning AI-augmented software development company, building iOS and Android apps both native and hybrid for everyone from small businesses all the way up to Fortune 500 global brands. And we're not just saying that. We've been recognized by Inc. magazine, Forbes, and The Times as a company that's doing it differently. Don't just take our word for it. 300 plus 5-star reviews on Google, Clutch, UpCity, Good Firms, and many more. An AI-augmented dev team at $25 an hour. $100,000 saved per year. You own your source code. A local US project manager. Developers working in your time zone. That's the DreamzTech difference. Just getting started? For only $9,500, we'll take your idea and build a fully functional MVP, ready to test, pitch, or launch to your first users. Let's talk. Explore your idea and make it real. Contact us today.